What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review Brazilian comedy movie Cabras da Peste. Get the story revolves around two cops, and one cop is from a very small town. His name is Brusilius, and he is always chasing small people, and like not even big criminals, just chasing people that what they are doing it, and the people are tired of it. They said in this small village, what you will see, and he says that he has a capacity or ability to do something beyond what he is doing right now, and he really wanted to be transferred to a very big mission, but unfortunately all his plans are not going to work since he has to stuck up himself in this village, and his closer to his heart is one god. Yes, that's the god he has. On the another corner of this country there is another cop, Trinidad, always loved the office life, doesn't want to go in the field, and somehow always trying to hide in the last queue of the line to just not show off his face, and just wanted to stay in office. Somehow he was sent to the field, and that was his last day at the field, because due to his mistake there were people from the cartel, those who came, and he was escaped because he was not like a cop, and the other person just died due to him. So all the people just threw him away from that area to a very remote place. One day what happened is that Brusilius got was taken away by the people in the truck, and this is very closer to his heart, and that's why the story or the name of the movie is Get the God. So he is on a mission to get his God from the truck, and during this time he reaches that a place where recently Trinidad has been appointed, and ask him that I need all the information, and I really wanted to chase all this. And they say, why you are just doing this just for a God? And this will unfold a new chapter, and the thing that he left messed up, Trinidad found himself in a very new situation where he will unfold a bigger cartel than the one he left, and here he will meet all those people who are associated with this. And now this time, since he is there, so the previous authorities or the people, the girl that was his chief, she still didn't believe at him that he is the part of this project, because maybe Brusilius, you are on a death wish, and that's why you are always you are around this guy, and you didn't even know it that he will really likely to kill you. He has a faith in him, and he said that are you really going to die with the dignity and pride? He said, no, I really wanted to live with the pride, dignity, and I just wanted to remain alive. So that was all his life, and you will really enjoy it. The chase and all this fun is around both of them. So if you really like this movie, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you have any other thing to just recommend from other cross-cultural, you will really feel good. So kindly recommend it, and I hope you will have a great weekend. All these things that they do really have very good fun and humor. And overall, at the end of the movie, you will see there is not even one, but there is a very big, huge group that they have tackled, and I hope you will really like it. So enjoy your weekend and have a great day. And if you have any recommendations, please recommend. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.